How to use a self-checkout machine. Today, Kamaba Library's official character, Kamado-chan, will guide you through how to use it. You can borrow books by yourself using the machine in the library here. First, touch the ID, then read the library's barcode label. You must read the library's barcode label, not the book barcode. Place the spine in the back corner with the library barcode facing up. The process is successful if you hear a process sound and the book title is displayed. Alert sound if barcode reading fails. Place one book at a time. After one book is processed, you can place the next book. Don't pick it up until you hear a processed sound. Do not leave the front of the sensor until the process is complete. Finally, press the Finish button and take the receipt. Make sure the number of books matches your receipt. If you leave without pressing the Finish button, others may borrow books with your account. If you fail to operate the self-checkout machine, an alert will sound at the exit gate. If it happens, follow the instruction of the library staff. That's all for tips on using a self-checkout machine. Everyone, try using it.